Hi, this is Architect Carl Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of the new SPH-DA77DABS. This is a replacement of the SPH-DA77DAB. This is like the first view of it. I've just powered it up and it does look really nice. It's a really nice unit. The user interface, got the new user interface with the shortcut keys. It's also got 4-volt pre-outs as well, which is a really good bonus for us because the quality of the audio output is very important. It's got 2 camera inputs, front and rear, and it's got the new web link as well, which is, I don't use it personally, but some people do. Wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. The user interface, really nice to use. If I press the home button here, you have got a customizable front panel, user interface here. You just press the edit button and you can move these around and place them where you'd like to place them. And you can add more or delete some if you don't use them. It's a really nice feature. It's also got this extra tab on the side here for the backtrack of whatever music you're playing. You've also got EQ customization. You can go directly to powerful EQ or flat or one you've made yourself. That's also available in the settings. You can turn the rear speakers on and off with one button press, which is really quite nice. You've also got 6 presets on 1, 2, 3, 4 DAB. You've also got a sub on and off and dim auto, instead of an auto dim you've got a manual dim, which is really quite nice at night time. All these buttons here really nice to use. You've got the home button, you've got the straight to CarPlay, which again has got all the usual CarPlay facilities that most people are used to. It's very responsive as well. The screen's very responsive. It's got a shortcut for your voice control, and wherever you may be, there's a top left hand button will give you a shortcut to your phone. So it's that's really nice. Having to go through different menus, you can just go shortcut to your phone and you can make a phone call. Volume button, again, you've got the up and down depending on what source, but you've also got a guidance. So if you want a guidance route, you can mute it if you wanted to, or you can adjust it if you want it a little bit louder for your commands, turning left, turning right. Overall, I'm really pleased with this Pioneer. It's a nice unit for the cost of $549. It's a really nice unit. If you'd like to have this done or installed into your car, or if you'd like to see it in the flesh, please come in and see us. Thanks for watching.